We're on the Extra Muse. I don't have any microphone. I don't have the receiver to the Insta360 Mic Pro, but I have the ink logo, e-ink logo on. So you think this is a gimmick showing the microphone? It's an awesome microphone if asked. The thing is, you could get yourself a ink photo button that you could do the same thing, stick it over your other microphone or stick it separately on you. Well, I could take this bad boy off. So I'm not going to lose the magnet. I keep telling you all, use those big pendant magnets. They hold on a lot stronger and they stay solid on the shirt and falling over all the time. That's an awesome gas-powered bicycle. Alright, I kind of, rested my gimbal. I got to do one of these every single time because it don't stay straight. That means I'm on the wrong gimbal mode, and I need to straighten that out. I remember with the Feiyu Tech G3 is it, and we had to those three modes. You always have to figure out which is the best for you. I don't want to go in and start changing things and then forgetting what I changed and I got to change it back. But when I stick this bad boy on my tripod for my reviews and all, I always gotta bring it off of the ceiling. I want to bring it down so you can see more of the table and me. And that's something maybe, it's me not having the right setting on once again. Tilt lock was what I was on. Now I'm on follow. So now if I bring my hand down, it slowly follows. Well, let me get past these trees. Oh man, it hurts to bend. It's not following me. All I can do is laugh. Now I watch videos and I watch the vlogger, and he's doing a great job, and I agree. And yeah, he's looking to get an Insta360 Luna Ultra. And he's just, gotta wait. He'll get it. He'll be happy, but he's unsure if he wants to hold on to his cameras. He wants to sell everything off and use one camera. And he's wondering if he's making a big mistake. Well, there you go. I was on me like this, and it got off of me like that. That's why 20mm lens should have been 16 millimeters, 15 the best. This way you don't have to constantly look at the camera screen to make sure you're in frame. Well, you know what fixes that? This is what fixes that. Double tap on your face. And well, did I do it right while recording? Double tap while recording. There you go. That fixes that problem right there. It tracks you. So I'm down here holding the camera like this. It's looking at me. And I'm able to now go like so. Not many people want to use tracking. We're not even sure if this is face tracking 1.0 with the Extra Muse. Because we all know the Pocket 3 is 6.0 and the Pocket 4 is 7.0 and the Pocket 4 Pro is 8.0. I'm just saying things out loud, if it makes sense or not, if I'm just guesstimating. This is pretty cool. Scream on the car. I wonder if this was the house that had the elephant there. But the raccoon, I remember there. Well, I always talk about things no matter what it is, and it helps to get it out and talk it out. And nobody listens, no big deal. At least I know what I'm getting into, and maybe somebody gets some information out of this. Well, I got like this single security camera. I gotta keep ducking, just hang on. And I don't know who sent it, and I probably know who sent it, because I was promised these 4-packs, and it comes back, we can only give 2. And then why offer 4-pack? I mean, it's like a switch and bait. I don't like switch and bait. Do you like switch and bait things? I'm having a good walk, finishing up my walk and all. And you can see the colors of the flowers and all. Need a desk? Need a chair? But everybody puts out good stuff, man. How about lounge chairs? Got a motorcycle from Michigan, a Holly. I think this is neat. I figured I'd give a nice little round. Helmet laid on top. Normally helmets disappear if they just lay on top. Normally people don't wear helmets anymore over here. You know, just lawless city, man. Cement city. Beautiful bike. You look like I'm getting overexposed. And that's what a 1-inch sensor is what the Sony looks like to me. And getting brighter, but today's not a nice day. Well, it's time for me to get on out of here, get on going, get on sharing, get on showing. Go meet up with Joe and go take care of Bizwax. I got things to do, things to take care of. I said a lot, did a lot, shit a lot, showed some. Appreciate a like, a subscribe. Help me build my channel back up and get this thing rolling. On Fish, show some love. I'll give you some love. Here's a fig for you, an Italiano fig. How about an apple? Come on back till it ripens. Woo, what a big difference. A much lighter camera than the Insta360 X5 with the free framing selfie stick.